Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya. In this 32nd day reading of Sri Viveka Chodamani, we arrive at the 59th topic of Sri Viveka Chodamani, known as Asat Pariharamu, which means in the one, no plurality. Asat, what is non-eternal? Pariharamu, how to counter that countering non-eternal. जीवतो यस्य कैवल्यं विदेहे च स केवलः यत्किञ्चित् पश्यतो भेदं भयं ब्रूते यजुश्रुतिः. यस्य जीवतः कैवल्यं, for whom while living attains the transcendental nature, kaivalyam kevalaha saha videhe cha, even after leaving the body, kevalaha, he will be transcendental as well. Yat kinchit bhedam, even a little distinction, pasyataha, one sees, yajusruti, in the Yajurveda, यदा ये वैष ये तस्मिन्नुदरमन्तरं कुरुते अधतस्य भयं भवति. It says, so whoever makes any differentiation, he will give birth to the fear. Fear comes up. So bhayam bhavati, that's what Yajusruti is saying. Yada kada vapi vichpaschideshaha ब्राह्मण्य संतेप्युणुमात्रभेदं पश्यत्यथामुष्य भयं तदेव यदीक्षितं भिन्नतया प्रमादात्. He is linking to the pramada again. भिन्नतया, seeing the distinction. येषः vipaschit, one who is vipaschit, viveki, one who has discriminative intelligence, and the brahmavetta. Anante Brahmani, in infinite Brahma, Anumatra Vedhamapi, seeing even a distinction of an atom size distinction, Kadhavapi Yada Pasyati, anytime he sees in that way, Yada Pasyati, Atha, then Pramadat, Bhinnataya, by the Pramada, Bhinnataya, by this Bedha, Yadikshitam, whatever is being seen with which is differently, that becomes Tadeva Amushya Bhayam. So that itself is the cause of distinction. That itself becomes the cause of fear. Dvitiyadvai Bhayam Bhavati. So the second thing causes the fear. श्रुति स्मृति न्याय शतैर्निषिद्धे दृश्यत्रयः स्वात्ममतिं करोति उपैति दुःखोपरि दुःखजातं निषिद्धकर्मा नमलिम्लुचो यथा. श्रुति स्मृति न्याय शतैः, by the means of Shrutis, the Vedavakyas, and Smrutis, the explanations given by the Rishis, or the Nyayas, by applying the reasoning or Tarkashastra, Nyaya. Satair Nishidhe, all these things have condemned seeing any distinction. Drusyatraya swatmamatim karoti. Drusya atra, in whatever is seen, in whatever is experienced. Drusya atra swatmamatim karoti. One feels that this is me, this is I am. So drusya, body is drusya, which is being observed. An observed thing is made as self. That becomes upaiti dukkopari dukkhajatam, a misery over the other miseries, misery after misery. Dukkopari dukkhajatam nishiddhakarta samalimlucho yatha. Like somebody who does a condemned action, like that, one who is a thief, he has to defend himself by telling lies that he is not a thief. So like that, dukkopari dukkhajatam malimlucho nishiddhakarta. This is what will happen. सत्याभिसन्धानरतो विमुक्तो महात्मात्मीयमुपैति नित्यं मिथ्याभिसन्धानरतस्तु नस्ये दृष्टन्तदेव द्यतचोरचोरयोः. So this is the again explanation of the same thing. Satyabhisandhanarataha, one who is continuously established in the eternal truth. Satyabhisandhanarataha purushaha vimaktaha, always he is liberated. Nityam, atmiya mahatvam, so not having any transformations. Sarva pujatvam upaiti, he will be always liked by everyone else. Mithyabhisandhanaratastu, one who is established in the mithya, transformatory, delusory appearance. Nasyet, he will fall down. How? Because all these objects have to fall down at some point in time. Holding on to those objects, somebody has to fall down at some point in time. Tadetat achora chorayoho, like achora and chora, when tested with for the truthfulness, finally chora should be known as chora, means the thief will be figured out as a thief, like something like a lie detector we can think about. So malimlucha, that is the sound which used in the last sloka. That means one who has the lies are which the choratva or whatever, that kind of defects, that kind of problem of seeing this multiplicity. Dukhopari dukkhajatam upaiti. Yeti rasadanusandhim bandhahetum vihaya स्वयमयमहमस्मि इति आत्मदृष्टैव तिष्ठेत् सुखयति ननुनिष्ठा ब्रह्मणि स्वानुभूत्या हरति परमविद्याकार्यदुःखं प्रतीतम्. Yatihi means one who is a seeker, one who is putting effort to control. Yati, that is the symptom. Bandhahetum, whatever is the bondage causing. Asadam apadam asadhim brahmabhinna chinta, something which is distinct from Brahma exists. That is the kind of thinking. Swayam vihaya, by giving itself on his own. Ayam ahamasmi, on the pure self, is ayam. Iti atmadrushtaiva, thinking that way, seeing it in that way. Tishtet, has to get established in the such kind of a view. If it is not that way, Brahmani nishtha anya sakti, so swanubhutya, not having the own experience of that homogeneous Brahman. Avidya karya dukkham, all the dukkham, harati. So until the avidya karya dukkham is removed, always get established in the Brahman. Bahyabhisandhi parivardhayet phalam durvasanameva tatastatodhikam jnatva vivekai परिहृत्य बाह्यम स्वात्मानुसंधिम विदधीत नित्यम. बाह्याभिसंधि, outward looking, vishaya sanga, looking outside, looking for the things. Tadastataha kramakramanga adhikam durvasanameva, so it will lead to more and more. This is outgoing nature, pravrutti dharma. Tatastataha adhikam durvasanameva phalam parivruddhayet, it will keep going up. There is no end to the things. There is no end to the vasanas. Vasana vruddhitah karyam karya vruddhya cha vasana. So we have heard this in the last 314th sloka earlier, 2 days back. Jnatma vivekaihi having understood the Vivekai, Parihurutya Bahyam, giving up outward pravrutti marga, Swatma Anusandhyam Vedadita Nityam. Turning inward, one who should establish in the Swatma Anusandha. Bahye niruddhe manasah prasannata manah prasade paramatma darshanam. Tasmin sudrushtiye bhavabhandanasaha bahirnirodha padavi vimuktehe. Bahyanusandhana niruddhe sati. Once controlling the outward view. Manasaha prasannata. Mind becomes peaceful. Manah prasade, when mind is peace, paramatma darshanam. One can see the pure Atma. Tasmin, by seeing the pure Atma, Sudrushte, properly seeing it, Bhavabandhanasaha, properly experiencing it, Bhavabandhanasaha. This Bhavabandha will be removed. Bahirnirodha, by turning outward, turning the mind outward, Nirodha, controlling the outward turning, Vimukteha Padavi, that is the, for release, that is the Padavi, that is the Marga, that is the path, that is the method. Kah Pandhita san Sadasadviveki Sruti Pramanaha Paramarthadarsi Janahni Kurvan Dasadot Avalambam Sopata Hetoho Sisuvan Munmukshuhu. Paramarthadarsi, one who is seeing the eternal truth, Sruti Pramanaha, taking the Pramana as the Shruti, which is heard from a realized sage, which is the word of the sages, Shruti Pramanaha. Sadasad Viveki, one who can discriminate between the Sat, Asat, Panditaha, Ya, who has Ajhatma Jnana, Mumukshuhu, Kaha, Yavadu, Shishuvat, Swapata Hetoho, Janan, Asataha, Avalambaha, Kuryat. Like a boy who, having known what will make the self fall into this Vishayas, who will take that path, or taking the refuge, taking the rest, or taking the support as the Asat. Asat, they are transforming reality. One who holds on to this transforming reality will continue to fall. Like a boy who will take up that path. Nobody will take up path when once you know that it is going to fall. That is what is the point. Dehadi sansakti matona muktihi muktasya dehadyabhimatya bhavaha suptasya no jagaranam na jagratah swapnastayor bhinna gunasrayatvat. Like it is giving mutual exclusiveness of when suptasya no jagaranam. When he is sleeping, he is not waking. Jagrata swapnastayor bhinna gunasratatvat. One who is waking up, there is no dream. So all these things are mutually exclusive. Similarly, dehadhi samsaktimato namuktihi. One who is attached to the dehadi samsakti, attachment to the bodies and all those lower prakriti. Muktasya dehabhyadimatya bhavaha. So for the mukta, dehadyabhimana is abhavaha, is not there. So these two are mutually exclusive. So that is the conclusion, 338th sloka of Sri Viveka Chudamani. He concludes this topic of for today is Asat Pariharamu, which is no plurality in the eternal. So any plurality, anything we have seen. So the condition of liberation and sensuous passions, these are the two are mutually exclusive. They cannot be expressed at once in one and the same individual at one and the same time. So one should be either this or that. It is a binary condition. With this, we will close today. Swasti.